What'd he do?
He still. He. The guy do this.
He did that? Yeah.
Can you chop him like this?
Yeah, I'll chop him like that. But you gotta get the other guy for me, though.
Where is it at?
I think he went in the living room.
It's right there, Daddy. Right there, Daddy. The
Oh.
guy right there.
Yeah?
Can you circle it like this?
Just chop him like that?
What you gonna do to him when you find him?
I found it in the kitchen.
What you gonna do to him?
And then, shh, shh.
Shh.
Like the guys, shh. And then somebody stop. Like the guy, stop it.
Oh yeah, that's what he said to you.
Mm-hmm.